Hi everyone, it's Johanne. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to give you a little update and as well share a little something with you that I've been working on. As you guys know, I do a lot of camping, so I've been busy camping. But when I am home, I haven't been able to do a lot of crafting other than the working on the collaboration that I'm in. If you're interested in knowing about the collaboration and you don't know anything about it, I'll put the link below. However, so when I'm not camping, I've been working on something in my craft room. I'm trying to get it a little bit more organized than what I'm used to having. And I spend a lot of time in here when I'm not at the martial arts club or at work. So I wanted to make this a little bit more user-friendly, if you say. I'm going to share with you, but first I want to just give you a little update on something. When I first started this channel, I had started for a little bit, and then my niece had joined in with me. I'm not sure if you've seen the videos or I have mentioned her. She's 11 years old now, but when she started doing the videos, I think she was 9 going on 10. Her mom had passed away, my sister-in-law, and that's why breast cancer awareness and with other family members and friends is so important to me. So I became even closer with her and started doing crafts with her. She is very, very creative. And she is, let me tell you, when she gets in front of the camera, she has no problem saying whatever it just comes out like she's a natural in front of the camera. So she joined me on my channel, which she'll tell you it's her channel. And she goes by It's Jenna. Her name is Jenna. And again, she's 11 years old, and she comes on, she was at that time about once a month. We would get together, her and my mom would come here and we would do some crafting, and she wanted to do a tutorial. She watches a lot of YouTube, and she creates a lot of things, and she's very, very creative. She is going to come back once a month, if not more, depending. And we're going to do crafts together, and she'll probably share a tutorial. Sometimes it's me and her together, and sometimes it's just her. You'll hear her reference her nan, which is my mom. My mom will usually sit over here in the corner. She won't want to be seen. She's the one that yells at us and tells us to smarten up or stop laughing or something like that. But she gets a kick out of us too, because we have a lot of fun together. So with those videos, we won't be able to put the comments on because of all the new rules and everything with YouTube. So I'm not sure how that's going to work out. But she wants to do some videos, some tutorials. You'll probably be shocked that she is 11, the way that she talks. She's pretty mature for her age. And she's a gem. You gotta love her. She's a sweetheart. But she gets in front of that camera, and I'm telling you, she's somebody completely different. She just knows what to say and what to do. And she loves sharing her creations and loves sharing tutorials. Even if I'm helping her with that tutorial, she just loves it. So she wants to get back to share with you guys on her channel. And again, her name is It's Jenna. And so the comments, like I said, will be turned off. But if you want, you can make a comment on the next one of mine that maybe the comments aren't turned off or something. She would really love that. Have a video coming up tomorrow, and it's her Halloween Dollarama haul that she did. She's got a few creations here that we started a couple weekends ago, and she's coming this weekend to finish some of those, and some of those ideas have changed. So she wants to share with you guys what she's created. So it'll probably be more of a project share. So you'll see that coming up probably after this weekend, or maybe possibly this weekend. So just keep an eye out for her. You'll absolutely love her. Again, her name is It's Jenna, but her name is Jenna. And so I look forward for you guys meeting her, and you'll fall in love with her. She's a sweetie. So now I'm going to click over and show you what I've been working on. Okay, guys, so this has been my new purchase, and it's all from Michael's, just the setup here. And I'm just going to quickly show you the pieces that I bought and just tell you a little bit about it. I will be doing a craft room tour. I already had one probably more than a year ago. But I have, several new purchases from then. So I want to share with you You guys have probably seen these cubes. I got them from Michael's, and I saw them at Michael's for the first time just a few months ago. And I said to my husband that I had to get them because it's going to help me organize. And let me tell you, it has certainly helped me organize. Now, I've heard some pros and cons, but I'm absolutely in love with these. I haven't had any issues with them so far other than one, and I'll share that with you in a second. So this cube here, I'll open that in just a second to show you how it works. These two are the same. And then you have this one here. You can see that you can tip it this way so that it goes up and down, but I wanted it a little bit more this. I don't like having my paper sitting up like this because my craft room is kind of down like in the rec room where it's a little damp. So I didn't want to put that in there like that. So, because then it'll start getting curves and everything. So I decided to go this way. There's one of these cupboards when you open it. See, this one is a little tough to open. I think is it this one? No, this one is perfect. So this one is really good. This one wasn't lined. The door wasn't the right size, but I just didn't take it back. I said, I can work with it. Something, I'll put something in there that I don't use as much. And then I bought another cube down here, which is the same as these two. I just bought the ones with the door that I could put inside. So that one is one with the paper where you can rotate it. And this one is one piece here itself. And that's the one where you can get the slats, and then you can change the paper, the width and that you can do. Now, oops, it wasn't cheap, but it wasn't absolutely expensive either. If you're looking to, improve your organization or storage ideas, and this has changed some of my storage ideas. But then I bought, this one here is separate from here. So this piece was just one piece, and then these ones here. But I have to tell you, the pro of this, it was super easy to set up. And the only con that I had, I mean, everything is expensive at Michael's, but it wasn't badly priced at all. So, for Canadian prices, it was actually pretty good. Other than that door piece, that was my only con that I had for this. So far, I've heard a lot of people talk about these slats. They warp. I'm hoping that doesn't happen, but if it does, I'll just go buy the slats again. But right now, this is what I have. Excuse the mess. Like I said, I am organizing, so hopefully when I get this done, I'll share with you. But right now, that is my new purchase and new improvement to my craft room, but I thought I would share with you. Don't forget, I'll be uploading some videos with my niece. I hope you enjoy her as much as I do, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.